Hi guys, Retrocengo here. Just a quick little channel update because I got a little story I want to share with you guys, because I'm here working on my trying to repairing another Amiga 500, and I got this box. I mean, you have to see this. I mean, this is just one of my favorite games. I played Eye of the Beholder 2 as crazy when I was a little kid. And when about a year after, I saw this Black Crypt. It's just an amazing 3D RPG game for the Amiga. And I literally just got this box delivered to my address from Rasmus. Tack ska du ha, Rasmus. Thank you, Rasmus. This is just amazing. Not the Amiga and all that. You're maybe just thinking, well, Retrocengo got Amiga 500 and all that, but I love all the Amiga hardware. I don't really collect software. I have some, you know, but I don't collect software. But this time I got Black Crypt. It's just amazing. Look at this, guys. It's just it's for the colors. Guys, I got where is it? I'm so sorry, it's a little bit dark, but you have to see this, guys. Oh, I played this one too. This one was great also. But guys, first I thought it was Diablo 2, but it's Black Crypt. It's one of the best games ever on the Amiga. I mean, I am just so happy. I mean, this is just, I have never ever seen this. What an amazing artwork. The soundtrack, gameplay was just so awesome. This one, it had an auto map function. I really missed that on Eye of the Beholder 2. But God, it's just, I'm so happy, and I just want to share my happiness with you guys. Black Crypt, an Amiga game. The original box is just, oh, look at this joystick. One of my friends had one of these on his Commodore 64. It's really a bad joystick. This one is nice. The arcade. Got some more games, but I just want to share this this awesome video with the Black Crypt box, guys. It's great. We got some PD games here. We got Chop Shots. Yeah. Alright guys, just a quick little channel update. Just want to share my happiness with you guys. Until next time, play some Black Crypt, guys. It's just an awesome game. Hey, another Amiga 500 saved. This one just had a black screen. It didn't want to start up. I checked everything and I found out it was the kickstart that was dead. So I replaced the kickstart and it worked. And later I repaired the disk drive, cleaned and all that. Then I tried its own old kickstart, put it back in, and it worked. So sometimes, if you have problem with your Amigas, just pull out the chips really carefully. Not with a screwdriver. Use one of these. Just gently pull the chips out, clean the socket, and put the chips in. And you can be lucky and it will just work again. Alright guys, alright, just another Amiga 500 saved, and oh, Black Crypt is just awful. Do you remember Railroad Tycoon 1 for the Amiga? This is a PC game. Yeah, alright guys, thank you for watching. Just a little channel update. I'm gonna work with this Amiga 500 again. Have a nice day, bye.